Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Personalization, because this is the only way that guarantees system-wide change. Once done, make sure you have admin access if required and the image saved where you can quickly find it. You should navigate to Background and choose the Background Type dropdown right away. Select Picture, then click Browse to pick your file. This immediate first action gets you into the exact controls you need to replace the wallpaper without extra steps. Once you've chosen the file, you must decide how it fits the screen. The setting matters because it determines whether the picture looks sharp or cropped. Select Fill for full screen, Fit or Center for preserving composition, and Stretch only if proportions are acceptable. After selecting the layout, preview on the desktop and adjust by choosing a different image if needed. Click Apply or Save Changes to commit. If you manage multiple displays, repeat selection for each monitor to keep consistency across screens. To finish, reboot or lock and unlock the session to confirm the wallpaper persists. This verifies the change took effect system-wide. If it reverts, check for synchronization settings, group policies, or mobile device management controls that may enforce a different image. Also, make sure the image file is local and not on a removable or network drive, because missing paths cause rollbacks. If permissions block replacement, right-click the file location and adjust access, or move the image to a writable folder. Then reapply the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.